Good morning, lovely people. It's Miss Brown's maths lesson. Today we are going to change our learning intention slightly. We're still going to use the jump strategy, but today we're going to be doing some subtraction, some takeaway. Okay, so I've got my list of things I need my brain to go and find so I can do my maths properly. Just move my camera a little bit. Okay, I need to find all the stuff I've got on takeaway. I'm going to need minus, going to need subtract. That's all probably going to be in the same place in my head. I'm going to need my minus sign. I'm going to need to remember that my numbers are going down. Okay, my numbers are getting bigger today. I'm definitely going to get smaller numbers. I'm going to need my rucksack because we're going to do some word problems. Going to need to find all my number facts, get my finger calculator ready, and I'm going to need to have my place value chart in my head. Some people have a lot of problems with subtraction because it is that taking away and going backwards. But as long as we keep reminding our brain that it's going to go backwards, we're going to get smaller numbers, we'll be fine. Okay? Right. Let's have another look at our rucksack because we know we're using that today. So we're going to read all our questions very carefully. We're going to understand the question. We're going to choose the correct method, and today's correct method is we are jump strategy. We're going to solve the problem. We're going to make sure that we've answered the question, and then we're going to check that our answer is correct. Okay, got my number story mat out. Oh, bit crooked. Got my question. Got my handy dandy highlighter ready. I've got my pencil in case I need to write anything down. Got my book next to me so that I can start working in my book. Okay, let's do the first bit to read. See if I can get that in focus a bit better. Okay, my question says, my brother has 263 Pokemon cards. I have 312 Pokemon cards. How many more Pokemon cards do I have? All right. Here's my clue word that tells me I'm taking away. It says, how many more? When that shows up in a problem, generally, I'm going to have to do some taking away. So I'm going to put my takeaway sign, my minus, my subtraction sign, so I remember that's what I'm doing. Okay. Doesn't really matter that my brother's got that many Pokemon cards. The number matters because that's going to be a part of my number sentence. That it's my Pokemon cards and I've got 312 of them. Well, it doesn't matter that they're mine, but I've got 312 of them. That's pretty good. Okay, I want to find out how many more Pokemon cards I've got than what my brother's got. Okay. Have I understood? Okay, so my brother's got a small pile of Pokemon cards. I've got a bigger pile of Pokemon cards. I want to know how many more I have. Okay. So I'm going to start with how many I've got because I know I've got the big pile. I've got 312. I know my brother has only got 263. Ha ha ha. And I know that I'm going to have to take away because I want to know the difference between these two numbers. I want to know how far it is between them. So I'm going to put my takeaway in there. Right. We're going to use our number line to do our jumps. Because we're taking away, my number's not going to get bigger, so I'm not going to start at the small end and get bigger. My number's getting smaller, so I'm going to start at the big end and work backwards. Okay, so my big number is my 312. Write that in so I don't forget. And I'm taking away 263. This is just going to be the same as doing our adding, except that we're not going to get bigger, we're just going to get smaller. Right, I know I have to start with my ones column. I've got 312, and I'm going to go back 3 ones. So I need some little jumps. 1, 2, 3. So I've got 12, 11, 10, 9. So I'm back here and I'm going to write 309 so I don't forget that's where I got to. I'm going to tick my ones. Okay, now I'm going to take away 60 or 6 tens. Okay, here we go. Need a little bit bigger. I need 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that was a wobbly Miss Brown. Okay, let's count. 309, 299, 289, 279, 269, 259, 249. Right, so here we go, counting back again. Let's do that again. 30 tens, 29 tens, 28 tens, 27 tens, 26 tens, 25 tens, 24 tens. Don't know what's wrong with you, Miss Brown. Okay, done my tens. Now I'm going to do taking away the 200s. Now I know I'm going to get really close to nothing, because if this was 312 and this was 312, I would have nothing. Okay, here we go. 200s, 2 big jumps. 1, 2. 200, 100, no hundreds. Oh, wow. I'm just going to write my 49, my 4 tens and my 9 ones. Okay. Write my answer into my number sentence. And I'm going to check that my answer feels about right. I've got a little bit over 300. I've got about 250. So my answer should be about 50. Hey, Miss Brown, your answer's close to 50. I think your answer might be right. Now I need to check that I've got the answer for the question. How many more Pokemon cards do I have? Here we go. Miss Brown has 49 more, oops, me and R's today, more Pokemon cards. Ha ha ha, I've got more cards than him. Okay, so now I'm up to my check part. I've answered my question, I've done the maths, I've done my solution. Check my answer is going to be talking to an adult, talking to a friend, checking it with a calculator. If you and your friend don't have the same answer, you need to go back and check your maths, just like Miss Brown did where she got a bit wobbly here. Okay, there are a couple more questions in the lesson for you to have a go at. If you are having any problems, you can email the teachers and we'll give you a hand, okay? Good luck. See you next time.